This is my Rolex Submariner homage version. Eddie's dive from Eddie's dive. It's a diver's watch with the lock-in screw and etc. I've got a video. You can take a look further. But I've been wearing it for a few months now, and it's a bit loose, and I don't like the watch knocking my back of my arm or hand. Sorry. So I just wanted to remove a link, and I thought post a video on how to remove a link. So many watch straps and bands would have this arrow where you can take a link out and you can remove that basically. So I'm gonna just do that and remove one. I need to remove one from this side, so you can only remove the one that has got those arrows in. Not sure you can see that one. So if I go here, there you go. So these are the ones, so I'm pretty sure you can use those. Normally you can get a kind of a tool with the watch if you've taken that. This is a little screwdriver. Maybe I need to change it to the one that actually works. Okay, so that a tool like that would kind of push the link out, or I have seen some places use this sort of toothpick so that it doesn't affect anything, right? So you can use that. And I do have a hammer that kind of takes the thing. I'm gonna use a stand as well, so I do have a little stand that I had ordered before that can be used for this. So I'm gonna just take that off, use this. I'm gonna use bit of this. There you go. So you guys remove the link. It's here, and I'm going to again remove the other link because I just want to remove the middle one of the link from the middle. So I'm gonna just this. Sometimes you have to be bit creative about this because the link may not have the hole that you need. So what's happening here? Okay, this was right. So that link is removed. Now all we need to do is take the thing back. So you're removing a link, remember? So all you need to do is put that back, and the way to do it is where there is an up arrow going in, that's what you insert the link from, right? So that next time it's easier to remove. And to put it back, you can use the toothpick, right? Now these links have some of them have two split end, etc., and one to hammer in. So make sure that the one that is there goes in first. Actually it will be the other route, so anyway, so that it's easier to just insert. As you can imagine, I really like those new watch straps where you can actually move without any tool, because they are better than this one. But this is more common than not often. So I'm gonna use now the toothpick to put that in. Okay. Sometimes you will need to. Okay. And right, I'm just trying to make sure I view that. I'm gonna remove the audio from this. Make sure it doesn't hurt, but it's not outside that it scratches your clothes and take off threads from it. Alternatively, you can also get it done from a watch repairer, but I'd like to do my own stuff. Perfect. This is much better, and there is no gap. It fits, there is no loose things, and this fits, and it kind of feels comfortable. Thanks for watching.